In this session, I am going to explain present tense. In present tense, active voice, how can we change it into passive voice? I will explain it. The boy makes toys. In this sentence, the boy is subject, makes here verb, toys is object. So, it is called active voice. This sentence in active voice. So, in passive voice, we are giving importance to object. So, what is object here? Toys. Toys makes here, it is present tense. Present B-form verbs we need to use when we change active voice to passive voice. Present B-form verbs, according to the subject toys, we are using plural B-form verb are. And passive voice, we should use always verb 3 only. So what is verb 3 for makes? Made. After that preposition by we have to use by the boy. Toys are made by the boy. It is in passive voice. For this active voice, we are changing like this. Toys are made by the boy. Same way, one more example. Bees make honey. In this sentence also, bee subject make verb, honey object. So, honey, this object we are using as subject in passive voice. Honey is, according to this subject, verb, singular verb we are using. Honey is made by bees. So, next one, third one. Does she want a book? Does she want a book? Which type of sentence it is? Interrogative sentence. For this interrogative sentence, how can we change passive voice? Does, it is indicating, it is third person singular. It is in interrogative mode. For it, passive voice, B-form verb we have to use in passive voice. Already I said it in previous video. So, is, what is here? Object, a book. So, a book. For this passive, for this verb 3 what is? Wanted by her. Is a book wanted by her. So, it, question mark I forget here. So, is a book wanted by her. It is interrogative passive voice. So, I think you understood it. Who teaches you English? Who teaches you English? For it, interrogative mode. How can you change passive form? By whom are you taught English? By whom are you taught? Why should we use are? Because the teachers indicating here, it is in present simple. So that present tense. So that B form verb we have to use here are. You taught. Teachers for verb 3 taught English. So it is the pattern when we change active voice to passive voice. And same way present continuous tense. I am eating an egg. I am eating. I am eating here. I am here helping verb. Eating here main verb. So, two verbs given here. One is B form verb, one is main verb. So, subject here I, object here an egg. So, object we are using as an egg is. Why should we use is? Because according to this subject we have to use B form verb, singular B form verb. So, is eating food, being eaten. Eaten here, eat for verb 3 what is? Eaten by me. An egg is being eaten by me. That is proper structure of this sentence. Am I eating an egg? Am here indicating us. It is also in present continuous tense. Am I eating an egg? It is in interrogative mode. Is an egg being eaten by me? I, instead of I we are using me because it is objective case. is an act being eaten by me. That is proper structure of passive voice. And now present perfect tense. Sita has eaten the fruit. This object we are using here as a subject, the fruit, has been eaten by Sita, because here has eaten, it is present perfect tense. We need to use here be form verb, been. So that has been we are using, has also using, and also be form verb been using. Verb 3 eaten by Sita. It is proper structure. Have you seen the play? It is interrogative mode. So the play. Here what is object here? The play. So same sentence, interrogative sentence, how can you change in passive mode? Passive voice. Have, according to this subject, has we are using. Here you subject is there, so have using there. Here the play subject we are using, so that has. Has the play been seen by you? So it is proper structure of passive voice. In this sentence, subject you using there, have verb, have form verb using, because it is in present perfect tense interrogative mode. So in this sentence passive voice, the play we are using a subject, so that we are using has. And also we need to use one be form verb, so that has the play been. Seen, verb 3 always it will come in passive voice. So seen by you. And another one, who has written this letter? By whom has this letter been written? By whom has this letter been written? So whenever WH question, interrogative question will come in active voice, we have to change like this. Who has written this letter? Has written. It is indicating present perfect tense interrogative mode. So then we are using like this. We are constructing like this passive voice. By who has this letter object we are using here. This letter be form verb been we are using written. Simple. And now next one, simple past. Simple past. I read the book. I read the book. Read, read. Spelling same but pronunciation different. I read the book. The book was read by me. So for this, read and read also same spelling. We can construct passive voice. The book is read by me. The book was read by me also correct. Did you write a letter? Was a letter written by you? So it is in interrogative mode. So for it, passive voice, was a letter written by you. We are constructing like this. And for past continuous tense, they were playing football. They here subject, football here object. Were playing verb, helping verb and main verb. Football was here according to this subject were. According to this subject was. Being, playing. Instead of playing we are using being. Played by them. They, objective case them. So we are constructing like this. Was he reading the newspaper? Was the newspaper being read by him? So it is the structure of interrogative mode passive voice. So was same verb, be form verb we are using. Here object is the newspaper. Reading ing form is there. So being, be form verb we are using. Read. Read for V3 read by him we are using. We are constructing like this. Past perfect tense. I had read the book. In it, had read. It is where the book object here, I subject here. So the book object we are using in passive voice as a subject. The book had been read by me. So had been, here had we are using, so that had also we are using, and also be from where been we are using. Been read by me. It is proper structure of passive voice in past perfect tense. Had she bought new book? Had new book been bought by her? Question mark. So had new book been, new book, this new book object we are using a subject here, been bought by her. It is proper structure of interrogative mode passive voice. Future tense. I will write a book. It is in statement mode. A book will be written by me. In this sentence, a book object, so that object we are using a subject here. A book will be, same verb we are using, be from where be will come in future tense, will be written by me. Not only future tense, modal auxiliaries, whenever modal auxiliaries will come in sentence in active voice, we are using be. Be from verb in passive voice. Will they wash clothes in the evening? Will clothes be washed by them in the evening? In this sentence, in the evening, we can construct, use this phrase, this tail at last. Simply in this sentence, what is here? Object clothes. So, will clothes be? Because it is modal auxiliary. So, be we are using be from verb. Be washed V3 by them. Therefore, objective case them in the evening. Simply we are constructing according to that structure if you follow proper way. And future perfect tense. I will have written a book. A book will have been. In this sentence, been we are using. Same future modal auxiliary or future tense indicating verb. Will we are using. Will have been written by me. And now preposition. The preposition. She laughed at the child. So she laughed at the child. Here preposition at we are using. It is in this sentence, verb after immediately object will not come. So verb after preposition after we are using object here. So like this sentence, how can you change in passive form, passive voice? The child was laughed at by her. So it is proper way to change active voice to passive voice. She laughed at the child. The child, that object we are using as subject here. Laughed indicating past tense, so that was be form verb we are using. And verb 3 always we are using in passive form, so that laughed. Yet, laughed at, it is phrasal verb. Laughed and at, both also we are using. Laughed at, because it is preposition. Phrasal verb it is called. Laughed at by her. So it is the structure of whenever preposition is there after that verb. So we have to construct like this. Modal auxiliaries. They should help the child. The child should be helped by them. Already I have said just now, whenever modal auxiliaries will come, we have to use be in passive voice. Same way here also, should, it is modal auxiliary. They should help the child. The child should be helped by them. And now infinitive verb. If infinitive verb is there, how can you change in passive voice? I want them to help you. So to help you, it is indicating infinitive, to infinitive verb, to help, to plus V1. So in this time, and like this sentence will come, I want you, I want this phrase will not change. Here what is object here? Help, verb after there, you. So I want you to be helped. So we are constructing like this. Suppose infinitive is there in that sentence. Participles. I saw him turning the key. I saw the key being turned by him. Here also, in this sentence, how can we write same it is? I want. Here also, I saw, same way we are writing this phrase. I saw. The key, this object we are using as here subject. I saw the key being turned by him. An important point to remember is that when we change imperative sentences from active voice to active to passive voice, we must try to use let in case of non-living things. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, write in comment box. I will clarify it.